Hello, welcome to Homey Enterprise. This is our new design, sugarcane juice machine. The model number is ZJ150. It is stainless steel body, easy operation and convenient cleaning. We can see 3 buttons on the panel. The right one is the button including 3 functions: ahead, stop, and back. The left one is start button, and the right one is emergency stop button. How to extract the sugarcane juice by this machine? First, turn to ahead button, and then press start button. The machine is working. You can see that the rollers rotate clockwise. This is the sugarcane with one head cut to be diagonal shape. Put the diagonal side into the entrance to extract the juice. In the meanwhile, the juice comes out from here. And the bagasse will be collected from the back of the machine. We can add some lemon juice for better drinking. During the operation, if there is something happened, press the emergency stop button at once. The machine stops working. To start again, turn clockwise the emergency stop button. The red light turns on. Turn to back button and press start button. The machine is working again, and the sugarcane comes out from the entrance. How to clean the machine after using? First, pull out the safe door. And then take down the rubber ring. Take out the roller. Remove the tank to wash. After cleaning, put the tank into it. And then push in the roller. And then the rubber ring. At last, lock the safe door. It's okay.